Cheers.
Cheers.
These are purple Stoke potatoes. And all this came from one potato, right?
One potato. This is the second harvest from that same potato.
Yep. So, just like we're going to be surprised to see how much we actually get. So let's go ahead and get started.
Yeah.
So we'll go ahead and cut off all the vines first. So I'll get started on these.
Look at this. You can already see one right here.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, damn. Look at that.
All right. Nice. Sweet. So let's throw the vines over there.
All right, let's. Damn, those roots. You can. Oh.
There goes one right there.
One nice big one.
So we'll put them all off to the side.
Here's number 2. We got a good harvest this year. This harvest was definitely better than last year's harvest. It's from one potato.
This is so cool.
Here's a baby.
A little fingerling, is that what they're called?
I think so.
Potato fingerlings. That's nothing. Let it grow for next year.
All right.
We'll just throw it off to the side.
This will be for harvest number 3 from the same potato that we originally started with.
All right. So that looks like number 1.
Looks like there was pieces of one of those. I'm not sure what they're called exactly. Okay. Oh, there's 3 right there. Look at that. Another one. Look at this one.
Got another one. Doesn't it feel good to put your hands in the dirt?
Look at this. We still have the potatoes that grew over on the other side through everything.
That is true.
We still haven't harvested those. And again, those all came from the original one potato.
All right, so that one didn't seem to have a whole lot.
It had enough.
I only had 2 for the whole thing.
I pulled out 3.
Oh, okay.
So there were 5 total.
All right. All right. Let us do number 3.
All right, here's one already. Oh, damn, that one's huge.
That's cool that we get to reuse these bags too.
Oh, I know. That's the best part. And that they're so easy to store. Look at that.
There's another one.
Here's one.
Look how cool that is.
Damn.
Another one.
Damn. Yeah.
Look at this one already coming out.
That was fast. Oh, is this the one that we saw with your parents?
Uh-huh.
All right, cool. Look at that. Look how big and nice this one is.
I know, that one looks good.
This is bigger than this potato we originally started with.
I know. That was a tiny one.
Tiny ones are still good.
They are.
Okay. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, that's a piece of one. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's another piece. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 potatoes from one, and this is harvest number 2 from one
Not bad,
potato.
and it's all organic. This is 100% organic soil, our own little mixture, And come next year, we'll do it again. And next year, we may even try to experiment with eating the
greens.
actual greens. We were reading that these are actually pretty
edible.
healthy and edible. And I say we have some more tea to cheer it up.
Celebrate the harvest.
Yeah. All right.
That was good.
Not too bad.
I mean, that's pretty good.
I was expecting like this in one bucket.
Yeah. More tea. More tea. And good harvest.
Yeah. And they taste amazing.
They do taste amazing.
With a little bit of duck fat and some sea salt.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Until next time. Peace.
Peace.